Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset flashcards on RemNote. So let's get straight into it. Now what we are going to do is head over here to the flashcards and then select your document or your file. So let's say I will select this one here. Click on the card table. Now what we are going to do here, we will select all of them here at the top right of these answers, and you will see here edit SRS data. Click on it, and then right here it will open up this window, and then reset spaced repetition data. So SRS data like that, and basically with that we have reset our progress in this flashcard. Now how you can also do that is basically open up the quiz, for example, practice with spaced repetition. Sorry, just open it up. So editor right here. And now what we can do is press Ctrl and /. It will open up Omnibar, and you can type in here SRS just like that, and here you will reset the data. But for me, most convenient way is here that I select this one, card table, and then select all of them and edit SRS data, reset, and that's it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.